cooperate with that. 100% solution is not possible on an immediate basis. It takes some time. थोड़ा time लगता है, but definitely there is a solution to that. I have been into the HR industry for a while, and even before pandemic, similar situations occurs. क्योंकि companies की job scenario है, वो ऊपर नीचे जाता रहता है. It goes like a graph. For example, if you name any multinational company or a MNC, they will hire in one cycle. Maybe in the March, April, the hiring is goes like this. So if you apply in that cycle, you immediately get captured or you immediately are hired within that time frame. So उसके बाद then again cycle goes down. So this was a cyclical approach, and it has happened before as well. But now, due to this pandemic, this situation has gone on the more on the negative side. So ये situation prolonged हो गया. Actually, its time frame has increased, and especially to some people who are not in the essential roles. For example, if you are an MBBS doctor or you are a nurse, so definitely your demand stays more or less the same. And if you are into IT, like you are an IT person, IT has seen very less impact. So they are working from home. It's okay. Pandemic, more or less, you will be paid. Okay. Yes. And people are watching more and more. The demand has increased more. So somehow, which sectors पे this thing has given a positive impact. So it is a mixed approach. Now, for someone who is into that field, which is not an essential for the all year round, people like Mr. Anil or someone else, जिनकी job पे effect आ जाता है lockdown में. Why? Because we have limited income. So if we have 100 rupees, people will first save it and buy what we will buy. We will buy. Indians need potato, onions. Okay. First you buy potato, onion, basic things, and then you buy ice cream. Okay, this is the basic approach for I'm going to the root, how the mind works. Okay, so potato is like a doctor, onion is like an IT engineer. Okay, you save some money for medicine, you save some money for IT, the companies, they pay them, and the rest of things like the ice cream. Ice cream is someone who is teaching, suppose who is teaching Punjabi, or who is teaching a primary school in the education. कुछ नहीं होता, it's okay, no worries. 2 months you don't teach, it's okay. But if you don't pay the doctor, the person can die. If you don't run the hospital, so this is how urgency. Now, what is the solution to that? There are a lot of jobs which we are not aware of. For example, now online, I just quote one example, that online education or online system has seen a growth. It has seen a sharp increase in the past 1 to 2 years. Even before, online education was present, but now it has seen an immense change, and people are jumping into that. For example, the session that we are conducting right now, it's an online session. We are sitting at different places, different locations. It's like a global thing. You can be sitting from anywhere. But before, what we prefer, that we should be offline and sitting at one place like a group. So we have somehow find a solution to do our thing, and our thing is to communicate the solution to the public. We are just communicating our message. हम अपना message दे रहे हैं. Now coming to people like Anil, who are facing challenges, so they should at least most of them should try to find a separate solution. If you have lost your job, you can't sit and wait on that, because we don't know, it will take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Now we need to find a secondary source of income, and secondary source of income is if you have for example, you have an access to internet, Wi-Fi or a laptop, you can do some online work, and you can contact some companies. They are happy to offer you work at your workplace.
Correct, sir.
are
Correct.
doing it is an IT company, and before we were doing a lot of interviews face to face. On a daily basis, I have to conduct interviews. But now, since to avoid this situation, we are creating a pipeline and we're doing Google interviews, like Google Meet. Like I interview the IT engineer on Google Meet, via Google Meet or any online platform, and even you can say online onboarding is there. We take the staff online. So similar thing is available for different professions. Most of the professions, even if you are a doctor, you are into the medical line, you are looking for a new opportunity, you can go to the online platform, and if you are into that skill, which is not on the top of the essential, just try to look on the other road, go to the other side. Okay, sometimes we just have to change. We are going straight, trying very hard. वो जोर लगा रहे हैं हम. Okay, मेरी यही स्किल है, मैं यही करूंगा. I'm trying to doing the same thing and putting my force a lot. So just try a little bit. Maybe you put less force in the different direction, and boom, there you go. You get the job. You get the job, and there are jobs. Okay, this is a myth that in lockdown there are no jobs, there are no hiring. No, this is a myth. And companies and even industry, they have learned from the previous lockdown last year. Now the hiring has not been stopped. Even today we are doing that thing, and we have learned that how to grow in this situation as well. Because if we don't work now, what will happen after 2-3 months? The pipeline becomes broken. Pipeline means we need to create a pool. Okay, so this mistake has already happened and has been done last year, that we stopped working and we were not hiring, and due to that reason the pipeline broke. After 2 months, when we need more people, we don't have any pool. But now we are consistently working. We are working lagatar to create a pipeline. So if you are just a normal literate person, at least learn some typing. Typing is not a hard thing.
Yes.
Learn typing. Yeah, learn typing. No, like a big. It's not rocket science, and you can source a lot of work. Talk to your friends, and I just am thankful to Rudy. I think she touched this point. Create positivity, and you need to create positivity. She was quite keen on this thing. Positivity badao. And how to do that? She said, talk to people, talk to your sources. Then Mr. RJ Vishal touched the point that there was a lot of demotivation. Motivate yourself. So in order to motivate yourself, you should have a connection. Don't stay aloof. Okay, don't stay aloof, and don't think within a small range. Okay, don't think within a small range. Then I want to thank to Dr. Mayurika. She touched this point: social support plus professional support. She is from a medical background, so she tried to stress this point that if social support means that you are speaking to people within your circle. Because sometimes even your family don't have a person who is from a different background, and they can't find a solution for you. Okay, who is himself a jobless person. Suppose I don't have a job, okay, and my brother don't have a job. How he can help me? No. You can take help. Who is someone who is a bit more experienced, somewhere more experienced than you, then he can guide you. That's why Dr. Mayurika touched that seek expert help. Seek expert help. It will help in the long term. Like no matter, she is stressed psychologist. So psychologist or any professional, psychologist or an engineer or HR or an experienced person or a retired officer from army or you can say health practitioner, they might give you a different viewpoint, and they might try to help you to find a solution which you can't find for yourself. आप खुद के लिए नहीं ढूंढ सकते. Okay. Similar is this thing. If you don't know a job, suppose you don't know how to apply, then how will you get? You will not get a dream. It's simple. You will not get a dream, and if you keep doing same things repeatedly, like talking to your same friends, talking to your family again and again. Oh, job, no job, no job. Oh my God, I'm stressed. ये हो गया, वो हो गया, ये. Then what will happen? You get trapped into a circle. You get trapped into a circle. And being on the HR and the English tutor side, what I normally guide to people is to stay patient. Have patience. Stay patient. I'm just using a verb. Stay patient. That wait. The toughest thing is not hard work. The toughest thing is to wait. It's very hard to wait for the right moment than to attack. So even from the years old adage that
ये बात आपने जो बोली है ना, ये बिल्कुल आपके ऊपर दुखती है कि सिमरदीप एक ऐसे इंसान है जो वाकई में चुप करके सबकी सुनते हैं और उसके बाद जब ये अटैक करते हैं तो सब देखते रह जाते। तो ये बात जो है इन्होंने बहुत ही परफेक्टली कही है। और बीइंग HR मुझे बहुत सारी मतलब HR को लेके बहुत सारी कंफ्यूजन, बिकॉज आई अप्लाइड ऑन इंडीड सो मैनी टाइम्स। तो वहाँ पे ना बहुत सारी मेल्स आती है इंडीड में, यहाँ पे हायरिंग हो रही है, यहाँ पे हायरिंग हो रही है, मगर देयर इज अ नंबर, वो जो इतनी मेल्स में मतलब इफ देयर आर 20 जॉब्स ऑन इंडीड, तो सब में HR का जो नंबर होता है वो सेम रहता है और ये HR लोग फोन नहीं उठाते। तो जो भी इनसे बातचीत करनी है वो व्हाट्सएप पे ही होती है, व्हाट्सएप चैट से ही होती है। तो मुझे लगता था कि ये सब कुछ ना फेक है, बिकॉज इतनी सारी मेल्स में वो सब डिफरेंट जॉब है, कोई डाटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर की है, कोई बैक ऑफिस की है, कोई कुछ है, तो सब में जो नंबर है वो सेम जा रहा है। तो एक इंसान इतनी हायरिंग थोड़े ना कर लेगा, वो कंपनी अलग है, वो कंपनी अलग है और HR का नंबर सेम आ रहा है, ये ना जरूर जो है वो फेक है। तो बहुत सारे थॉट्स जो है सिमरदीप ने जो यहाँ पे क्लियर करे हैं। और इसके साथ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग से 2 सवाल आए हैं और एक सवाल मैं पूछूंगी स्माइलिंग सनी जी से और दूसरा सवाल पूछूंगी आरजे से, क्योंकि ये दोनों के ही रिलेटेड हैं। तो मैं सोच रही हूँ पहले किससे पूछूं, किससे पूछूं? वाह, सनी जी कह रहे पहले उनसे पूछ लो। चलो विशाल जी, जैसे कि आप आरजे हैं, तो जब आप रेडियो पे बोलते हैं तो कभी कभार ऐसा टाइम भी आता है कि आप दर्शकों